Looking to revive your old and used batteries? We can help you with our battery regenerator. RE Plus can regenerate all lead-acid batteries. These are commonly used for forklifts, telecommunication and backup, trains, golf carts and many other applications. Batteries are bound to run down though, and they have to be recharged. If this occurs increasingly, your battery will lose a lot of its capacity and efficiency due to sulfation, which is the accumulation of extremely hard lead sulfate crystals. Sulfate crystals cannot be loosened with a normal charger, and this will eventually cause the lead plates to become partially unusable, which results in capacity loss. You will have to charge the battery more frequently, and its lifespan will decrease. There are two possible solutions for malfunctioning batteries. You can either replace your old battery, but this is very expensive and not very environment friendly, or you can desulfate it and give it a second life with our RE Plus technology.